It is winter arc season. Don't look in the hallway as I'm making apple tart. I just need one cake tin. That's all I need. Little festive tea. Ooh. Oh my god. I'm stressed, guys. Okay, I need to figure out my life.
Yeah, I'll say it in 100 ways. Please believe me when I say I'm sorry. All the good people who give you a life. I'm still in constant fatigue.
Hello, queens. It is winter arc season, as you can tell. So today we are drinking Alani Nu pink slush. So for some reason my brain thinks that having an energy drink is gonna be good for me. Or I just like don't like myself and I'm just torturing myself. Anyway, it's early. It's the morning. And this is the vibe. So cheers. Yeah, that's the stuff. That's exactly what I remember. I think my favorite flavor is the Cosmic Stardust and the orange one. I don't remember what the name is, but those are my two favorites. This one's okay. Kind of like a bit too sweet, maybe. Kind of has like a coconutty flavor. But anyway, I'm gonna chug this. I gotta work out, guys. I think I've been slacking ever since I moved, and unfortunately, my body has been suffering the ramifications of my choices. So, gotta start working out, eating healthy, and not just eating healthy. I feel like I eat pretty healthy. I feel like I struggle with overeating because my cues in my head, like my brain doesn't send me the hunger signal cues because I also eat really fast. So, it's just a lot of things added up. Stress and just a lot of things going on. But today's a brand new day. We're gonna make good choices, hopefully. And yeah, so let's get our day started. I will meet you guys at the gym. Okay, people, I'm ready to go. I got my makeup done. I put on a cozy cozy outfit. Don't look in the hallway. I don't like how you can just like see through that entire hallway. But anyway, yeah, the plan for today, we're gonna hit up Goodwill and Trader Joe's. Goodwill specifically because I need to find a cupcake tin or a cake tin because I'm making apple tarte tatin for Thanksgiving. And if you guys don't know what apple tarte tatin is, it's this thing. And I don't know if I'm gonna make like a big one or if I'm gonna make like little mini ones. We don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna do that, and then I have to go to Trader Joe's to get some puff pastry so I can make the tarts. You know, let's get on with the errands. Hello, I'm in the car, as you can tell. Before we go, I'm gonna try this bar. I already opened it, but I didn't try it yet. It's called the Mezcla. It's a puff crispy bar, matcha vanilla. I love matcha, I love vanilla, so hopefully this is good. Anyway, it's supposed to be like a protein bar or whatever. This is what it looks like. It's yummy. I like this. And it's really good. I like the texture too. It's not too like hard to chew, but it still has like a good dense quality to it. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. Now let's get to Goodwill. Okay guys, we have made it to Goodwill. I'm in the car, but we must do our prayers. Please, thrift gods, please, please, please allow there to be everything that I need and more at this Goodwill. I can feel it. Whatever I deserve will come for me, will be there for me, so let's go. I just need one cake tin or cupcake tin. That's all I need. I feel like this is too small. Oh, there's another one here. These are so small. Okay guys, unfortunately I did not find what I was looking for. However, I did find some other things that I enjoyed. So anyway, here they are. Let me show you. So I got this like hook thing so I can put it over my bathroom door and then I can hang towels and whatnot. And then I got this really cute bowl. I just love the colors and it's just like a good size. It's giving like my yogurt bowls are gonna be so cute in here. Anyway, it's time to go home. I was thinking of going to Trader Joe's like right now, but I need to pee so freaking bad and I don't want to be grocery shopping while I'm stressed out about my bladder. So let's go home really quick and then we will be on our way to Trader Joe's. Okay guys, I'm at home. I went to the bathroom, I ate a little snack, I had a bunch of chicken jerky and then some chips and a sweet potato. Anyway, let's go grocery shopping. I'm glad I ate a little snack because going grocery shopping while you're hungry is sometimes a really bad idea. Not frozen stuff right now first. I thought they had peppermint stuff. I'm looking for the peppermint meringues. I heard that this is really good. I want to try it. Ooh, I found them. Okay guys, this is the haul. It's very, oh my god. It's much smaller than my usual hauls. But anyway, you can come a little closer since there's not a lot of stuff here. But anyway, let's go through it, shall we? Okay, so we have candy cane JoJo ice cream. I'm so excited to try this. I've been wanting to try this for years and every single year I never remember to get it. Excuse me. Anyway, so like, I love peppermint. I love ice cream. This is like a dream come true. Okay, and then frozen stuff. I also got this puff pastry and this is for the apple tarte tatin that I'm gonna try to attempt to make.
on Wednesday. So yeah, and then I got this spicy lentil wrap. I'm gonna eat this for lunch today. A lot of people said it was really good. It comes with a spicy tahini sauce. So we're gonna try this after I do the whole haul. And then I got blueberries, of course. Winter wake up tea. I love tea. It's a seasonal, so why not try it? I think there's like cinnamon and ginger in here. Little festive tea. Peppermint meringues. I've never tried this, but people said that they ate the entire box in one sitting. It was that good. And I feel like I would like the texture of this because it's giving chalk. Cornbread crisps. This is currently going viral on TikTok. Everyone says it's amazing. It's basically like if someone took cornbread and made it into chips. So very excited to try this. We got water. I like to use this for my espresso machine so that it doesn't, I don't know, I just feel like it's better to use good water. And then the last thing I got was this advent calendar for cats. I feel like Beanie knows that it's for him. I just thought this was so cute. So I think there's 24 days of treats and they're salmon. So this is for you, Beanie. Anyway, I'm gonna put all this away and then we can eat my lunch. Okay, let's try this spicy lentil wrap. This looks really good. I'm really excited for the spicy lentils and the spicy tahini because I love spicy. Okay, let's cut this. Okay. This whole thing was $5 for 2 wraps and they're like really big. I feel like that's such a good deal. And it's like wrapped in this like super soft bread. Looks really good. Okay. Ooh. Okay, this is the cross section. I'm gonna cut it in half so you can see the inside. Sauce. Ooh. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. I'm gonna try it without sauce first. Oh, that's fire. Just put some sauce on it. Can't waste any of it.
Huh?
Okay. This is delicious. What? I love how like fresh it tastes and it has like a kick. This is really good. Oh wow. The lentils are so good. And the wrap is like nice and soft. Damn. This is like one of the better ready-to-eat meals from Trader Joe's I've had. Usually they're not like this good. Like I had the chicken Caesar wrap and it was not good at all. This is good. It's like hearty. I really don't know how to explain. Whenever I eat, I feel like I don't describe the food very well. It's not too spicy, for sure. It's amazing. Okay. Joe the Trade did it once again. This is honestly like, I give it an 8 out of 10. I do wish there was more stuff inside, but it's really good still. That's amazing. Ooh, the spiciness is coming in a little bit. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this and we got some work to do because I've been putting off a lot of work. Ugh. I'm back. I just finished the other half, but I wanted to try the mini peppermint meringues. I'm so excited. This looks really satisfying to eat. How do I open this? Oh, they look a little bit interesting, the peppermint parts. It's not like red per se. It kind of has a raspberry color to it, but it smells really good. Let's try. I feel like the crunch is gonna be really good. Oh my God, I love that. That is so freaking good. The peppermint. What? What's in here? It's just egg whites, peppermint candy, and sugar. Basically all sugar, but I love that. It's so satisfying. What? I love these. These are so good. They're so addicting. Okay, I'm gonna do my work now because it's getting a little late and because it's Thanksgiving weekend, I gotta get ahead of things because we got a lot of family time and cooking and eating and more eating and eating to do this entire weekend. So I need to get ahead of it so that we can have fun and just relax and enjoy the holidays. Do all cats just love boxes? He just wants to just nestle himself in there. Are you okay? Beanie? Is that your new home? Guys, do you remember my loafers that I bought from Essence and they were just way too big for me? The correct size finally came in. I'm so excited. It took me so much effort and time to get these in my possession.
I was visiting John on the East Coast for like a week and a half, and FedEx kept trying to get them to my apartment, and they wouldn't drop off the package because I needed to sign for it. And so they kept coming like every single day, and then ended up I was home, and they didn't even try. They just were like, oh, she's not home. Let's just send it back to Essence. I'm like, what the freak, man?
But anyway, we finally have the loafers. And if this doesn't fit, I'm gonna be really sad because that means I'm gonna have to send it back and order it again. But they're probably out of my size by now. But anyway, let's see if they fit. So, to jog your memory, these are the Nicole Saldano rivet loafers. Oh, yes. This box is everything. What is the actual name? It's the Fabiana Eyelet black leather loafer. Yes, the girlies love a baby blue box. She's a little bent up, but it's fine. Let's see if they fit. Okay. Ooh. Yes, look how gorgeous. They are exactly the same. I just hope that they now fit me. Put on my shoe. Don't look at my legs. I haven't shaved in weeks because it's winter time. Huh? Okay. Yes! Guys, she fits like a glove. A little too tight though. But like it's fine. I'll just break her in. She'll just give me some bloody bunions, but it's fine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, they're so cute. They kind of hurt because they're like a little tight, but it's leather, so I'm gonna have to break it in regardless. Oh my god, okay. Let's look at the other one. Queen. Also, how did they tie this? This is so cute. Let's put on the other shoe. Yes. Yes, girl. Yes. Oh my god. She's adorable. Look. 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 They're so cute. I literally cannot wait to put a sole on the bottom. Gotta protect this part, you know, because it's smooth. I don't know why they don't put a rubber protective, but I don't care because they're adorable and I love them and they're so cute. And oh my god, I can't wait to style them. Hi guys, I am heating up my dinner right now. It is leftover tofu soup and bulgogi from this place in Koreatown that I always go to. And it's so delicious. You guys can't really tell. It looks kind of gross because it's a little bit old, but it's like one of my favorite things ever. It's amazing. It's so easy to heat up and it's so comforting and yummy and warm and spicy. We love her. Oh my god, it smells so good. Look at this. Oh, it's really good with rice. But honestly, I just eat it alone a lot of the times and it's still so delicious. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Okay, I microwaved up the rest of the bulgogi. Can you see? This is what it is. I basically just have rice and then this is the bulgogi, the meat part. When I buy it, it's just the meat. It's kind of a lot of meat. So what I'll do is I'll get some like tofu, get some vegetables and then remake it, if that makes sense. Like I'll put it on the stove and just add more stuff into it to stretch out the meal a little bit. And then that also helps me get in some veggies. Cheers. I feel like anytime I eat out at a restaurant, the food is like so salty. So in order to like make it less salty, I'll add like the vegetables and stuff and it'll help soak up all of that and kind of disperse the sodium throughout the meal. Like I've been eating this bulgogi thing for like 4 days now. Huh? It's so good. It is a little bit chewy, but like personally, I kind of like it chewy. I love like tendon and I love when it's just like, oh, it's so good. Yes. Okay. I've been trying to make it a habit of eating at the dinner table, not in my kitchen, and also not watching a show or scrolling on TikTok. Like I'm just in silence by myself eating. It sounds a little bit sad, but it helps me calm myself a little bit more and be a little bit more present while I'm eating. And I've noticed that it helps a lot with like my stress levels. And it like makes me appreciate and enjoy the food that I'm eating in the moment a little bit more. So I'm gonna go eat and I'll see you guys tomorrow because we got a lot of things to do tomorrow. Like we gotta prep the baked apple tarts. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm gonna do that tomorrow or the day after. Oh my god, I don't know. I'm stressed, guys. Okay, I need to figure out my life. But for now, I'm gonna eat, just chill and center myself a little bit. I'll see you when I see you, okay? Bye.